gorgeous people. How we doing? Welcome to Saturday. Happy weekend. Big clean day, isn't it? Huh? Whose idea is it to clean it? Big clean for Saturday. I've already gathered loads of cups and pots. Well, you can see there with my fat belly. First port of call though is to clean the guinea pigs out. And Rachel's just upstairs putting some clothes away. Yeah, we'll get sorted. Nothing planned, guys. Just a big clean. Can't wait actually to get my hands on it. I don't want to do it, but then when I get going, I'm all right. Do you know what I mean? I'll go and open the blinds. My mum messaged this morning and said it's cold outside. I'm about to find out. So I've got to go into the shed to get the guinea pigs sawdust and hay. Sawdust and hay. On in May. Let's have a look then. Yeah, it probably is a little chilly. And then again, I've got some scruffs on. Shorts, cut off shorts. That aren't very well cut off. And, yeah. Oh, what? You're trying to get the mice, what? Getting there, boys and girls. What are we on? 4:11. Woohoo! Not too bad. I think Liam's rushing because he wants to go out with his friends. So, anyway, I was thinking upstairs while I was cleaning the bathroom. I think I should do a live stream soon. Let me know down below. I'll also put it on the community post for you to answer. I'll do a little poll, and if the majority of you say yeah, what we're saying. Anyway, I'll carry on. I'm going to steam up the floors now. Sweating, even though it's chilly outside, but we've done sun. Kids are just finishing off upstairs. I've got to now come to sit down. The kids still want to go upstairs and sort Soph out with something. Now Liam wants me to try and sort this out because his hamster chewed it last night.
Yeah, but, he's got a chew toy now.
I don't think we're going to be able to fix it, but we'll see. This one's had a clean as well. Look, he's running away. He thinks I'm going to put him in the shower again. But you had to have a shower, didn't you? And Soph's dried you with the hairdryer. Eh? Sort of. Wouldn't have sort of let her, would you? That looks better, doesn't it? Hey? Yes. And Mummy found lots of your treaties, didn't she, while she's cleaning up? And now you're going to sit there like a miserable boy and guard them all day. Ah? Look at that little tail wag. I don't want them whap. Nasty. I don't believe you've been on my vlog today, Shirley. Oh, I can't vlog you much now anyway because the music's on. You're right though. There's Sandra. I don't think I've vlogged Sandra today because we've been busy. Did you manage to get all your room clean? Yeah, did Chloe help? She said that she's still not feeling great. What did you say about it?
Cold.
Who's waving?
So.
4:15 already, isn't it? It's all going on. Lacey and Soph have had went to walk to the shop at the top there, but they've ended up in town. Yeah. So yeah, but it's good that Lacey's getting out a bit more now, so it's good for her. Liam's just come back in. He's been out all day. He's now back out because he's off to get Chloe a McDonald. She's buying herself a McDonald's for a tea. We've all got chili, but Chloe don't like chili, so she's buying. Yeah, she could have had something else, but yeah. So she's buying herself a McDonald's out of her own money. Yeah, it's all going on.
Is there a way to choose the dips when you do the nuggets?
Yeah, I think it.
You know, sometimes you have to like, ask or something, and I don't like asking.
Make sure you ask.
What? You have to ask for the dips.
I don't know. It normally lets you choose it on the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, and like I said, yeah, chili for us. So that's what we're gonna put on now. Chili for tea. Liam's walking to McDonald's though because he said he didn't want to go on his bike because he won't be able to carry the drink. But I think he's getting himself a drink as well. So, but yeah, no food for Liam. He's having the chili. But I'm gonna take a look at his bike because since he's had it, his bike's got a stand and it's come loose. So he wants me to tighten it up. So we'll have a look. Oh, don't know if that washing will dry today. Chilly out here. Ta-da! There's no micey wop. No mice. Right, let's have a look then. Where's his stand here? Look. It's all loose. And it just wants an Allen key in there. Tighten that up. That's that tightened up. Nice and tight now. Oh, it's a bit of a bugger to get to there though, like that, with everything, with this in there. It's all good now though. Right, Rachel's asked me to get the washing in while she does tea. Well, she's doing tea while I was doing the bike. And nope, they're not dried today, bro. Getting there, but yeah, damp. Liam's back with Chloe's McDonald's. Did you get a change?
Yeah.
You know what she's like. Look how long Soph and that's going to be. Did they say, Rach?
No, interesting.
Oh, they're interesting. What's she got in here then? Nuggets, fries and a burger. Chicken burger. Alright, so this is what she's got. She got chicken.
Presenting it nice.
She got chicken nuggets with fries, banana milkshake,
And mayo.
and mayo chicken
sandwich.
with no lettuce.
And I've got this.
Are you feeling better today or not? You still look pale.
And banana milkshake. I've got that.
Nice. I've got this. Garlic bread. With this. Rice. Oh,
Take it off the top.
there's the girls. Where you been then? Come here. Thought you was meant to just be going to the shop up the top.
No, I'm too expensive at that one.
Why is Lacey gone off? She in the mood?
Ooh, thank you.
What's all this? Bargain buys.
My back really hurts.
You've got some crunches.
I've got you some.
Sandra, where you been again?
Were they on day?
Hey?
Yeah,
You done a lot of walking or something? Didn't you like that then?
here you go.
Oh, didn't you like it this time? Oh, never mind.
Oh, so these girls here, these three girls, they was young, like teenagers, Stacey, had to stroll and they started giggling at us. So I asked Sophie if she knew them.
Oh, some strange people about, aren't there? Oh, you bought me a present!
I also got a whole
Look
note.
what I've got.
Thank you, Sherlyn. That's kind of you.
Do you want, is that two? You
Oh,
don't want some juice,
Lacey's brought some bits again. Did you buy out?
Yeah.
What do you get? Is that it? One of these.
Is that all you brought?
No.
Chewing gum.
And that. I balanced it. And it's makeup remover.
Anthony's ready for his tea. Is that your seat, is it, Anthony? Anyway, there's my tea. Yes, we've got garlic bread. We'd normally have something like naan bread or something with it, but yeah. And we've got a spring roll. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy. Hello. Anthony, don't eat it. It's mummy's. Rachel's gone up to bed, hasn't she? I'll sort it. Yeah, well, we're both going up to bed. We're all going up to bed. Night, Shirley. The lights on. Chloe's been down. Been in the fridge. Left the light on. Bing. There we go. Yeah, Rachel's watching the 4th of July or something like that. I will get in bed and watch YouTube. I've still got loads of vlogs to edit. I don't know what's going on lately with it all. I don't know. All I can do is apologise. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support as always. Nothing's gone on today. I'm getting to the point lately where I'm just thinking, I'm going through that stage, I'm not going to lie, where I'm thinking people must be getting bored. It's just same old. And you get, when you do YouTube, you go through this and you think, I don't know, I'll just carry on doing it because it's me, that's what I want to do. But you do get these times and these feelings where you just think, nah, I'm not feeling it. And when I'm not feeling it, I feel like other people are not feeling it. But yeah, and now I'm waffling on and talking a load of... It's not about the editing, so she thinks it's because I can't be bothered to edit. It's not, it's just, I look at it and I think, what is the point of editing it? But like I said, I will, because I'll just keep doing it, but I know what I mean, even if you don't. But anyway, we'll see you Monday, guys, because Sunday, we're not doing it. Nothing else to say. See, that's just it. I've got nothing of interest to tell you, nothing to show you. And I can't just make something up, because that's not me. Can't just say, right, I'll do this. Because it's not real, is it? Anyway, you guys take care, stay safe, and thank you as always. Peace.